Hi, y'all. Welcome to another clean with me. We have quite the mess going on here in the kitchen, so let's do a nighttime reset of this messy, messy house. And I'm also going to throw in a little dinner idea. As you can see, the kitchen, especially the island, becomes quite the catch all throughout the day. And I had done absolutely no cleaning today other than wiping down our dining room table. It was really, really in desperate need, so I got out the bucket of hot water and cleaning solution and wiped down the whole thing. And yeah, that was it. Now we have to clean everything else. So I'm first going to pop in this chicken that's going to roast for about an hour, and I will put the recipe down below in the description box. I got it from TikTok and it was so delicious, so I'm definitely going to share that with you guys. And while that is baking, I am going to be cleaning up this kitchen. I absolutely hate cooking in a dirty kitchen, but sometimes you just got to get it done because that hour that this is going to take to bake is the perfect little timer to clean your kitchen. By the time dinner is all said and done, it's going to be all clean up here, and then it's bath time and bed for the kids, and then I can just relax in a clean house. So I love to kind of set up my cleaning this way, if that makes sense. It's a great little motivator slash timer. Just put something in the oven for 30 minutes to an hour, and for that whole time that it's cooking, just clean. And you will be surprised what you get done in just 30 minutes if that's all you have. And like I said, by the time you're done cleaning, everything will be clean. You just eat dinner and relax. It is so nice. So I am just starting by clearing off all the crap that is on this island and putting everything back where it belongs. And then I'm going to start on these dishes. I got to put all the clean dishes away from inside the dishwasher, and then I'm going to be loading that thing down with as many dishes as I can possibly fit. Oh, how I wish it was this easy to do all the dishes in real life, but unfortunately, it's not. This is the final dish of that baked chicken with gravy and some mashed potatoes, and it was so, so good. So after dinner, I just put those last couple of plates and pots into the dishwasher, and now we are scrubbing this sink down. I'm using the lemon scented Dawn Power Wash. I absolutely love this stuff. Of course, the Dawn Power Wash just works amazing, but that lemon scent, oh, it's so, so freaking good. So I'm just spraying down the sink, scrubbing everything down, getting every last inch of this thing, making sure there's absolutely no dirt and grease and leftover food left behind. And then I'm going to rinse it down with really hot water and then run the garbage disposal and make sure that there's nothing left behind that's going to leave some bad smells. Of course, I'm going to be spraying everything down with half water, half vinegar. This again can cut through grease, gets rid of bad smells. I like to spray down the entire inside of my sink, let that air dry, and just wipe down the outside. It shines up your stainless steel like new. After that process on the sink, I'm basically going to do the exact same thing on the stovetop. I'm going to spray it down with Dawn Power Wash, give it a really, really good scrub. I love this little scrubber brush that I got from Walmart. It's literally like $3, and it has these hard bristles that you can scrub stuff off. And then the other side has this plastic scraper, like hard edge, and it is perfect. It is the perfect tool for scrubbing down your stovetop because you can get mostly everything off with the brush, and anything that you can't, you can just scrape it with the scraper. It is perfect. So after I'm done scrubbing all that down, I wipe everything off and then go over it one more time with the half water, half vinegar. This gets any soap residue off, and it also shines up the stainless steel and the glass perfectly, gets off any remaining little grease splatters, and brings everything up like new. Last but certainly not least in the kitchen, we are just going to be wiping down all of the counters. I'm using my Method multi-surface anti-bac cleaner. This is not my favorite cleaner, but I'm just going to use it up, but I won't be repurchasing just in case anyone's curious. I'm going to wipe down all the counters and my little centerpiece. And then that is the kitchen all fresh and clean, ready for the next day. And now we are on to the living room. I'm first going to start by wiping things down in here on the TV stand and the coffee tables, and then just start picking up all of the random blankets and toys and jackets and all of that stuff and taking it where it actually belongs. As you can see here, I'm rolling in the vacuum because I normally don't vacuum during my nighttime clean with me's, but today I just really needed to get it done. I am trying to motivate my dog to get up from his little napping spot so that I can vacuum and mop in here. Normally, I just don't like to get out the vacuum at the end of the day. It's just loud. I'm tired. I don't want to deal with it. But this couch was full of crumbs, and yeah, I'm vacuuming it the crazy way, the super fast way, but hey, it works. I just throw up that whole thing on the couch and give the whole thing a vacuum. And then I'm going to move on to the floors. Again, like I was saying, I normally skip this at night and I'll just vacuum, later on the next morning. I absolutely do not like to get out the vacuum at the very end of the day because I'm just so tired. It is the last sound that I want to hear because it's so loud. But sometimes it just has to get done. We have had some crazy, crazy weather here in Wyoming. Winter and spring are fighting each other, and one day it's like 70 and sunny, and the next day it's literally snowing. So safe to say I have mud getting tracked in my house by my kids and my dogs because yeah, the weather just isn't your friend this time of year. Well, it's not the friend of your floor if you want to keep it clean, that's for sure. So I'm going to just vacuum everything up, kind of moving the things that are easy to move so that I can get a pretty thorough vacuum in here. And then I'm going to go over it pretty much the same way with the mop. I just kind of mop one little section at a time and then put things where they're supposed to be and mop went my way out of the room. I absolutely love my O-Cedar quick mop. I'm getting a little bit, bored isn't the right word, but I just feel like I use my quick mop all the time and I don't use my big mop. I used to deep clean once a week with my big mop, the spin mop from O-Cedar, but I am so over my spin mop. I'm really, really thinking about getting one of those vacuum mops. And I was just wondering if any of you guys have a vacuum mop that's like the 2-in-1, either the Tineco or the Shark one. What do you think about it? Is it worth it? I'm really leaning towards getting the Shark one, and I just don't know. So let me know if you think it's worth it because I feel like I have to mop every single day and it would just make my life so much easier. But I'm not really sure if they're more hassle than they're worth since you have to like fill up the little reservoir and, you have to charge them and all that stuff. And I don't know how long they hold a charge. So if you have one, just let me know yay or nay down below so I can maybe make my decision. And I guess if none of you guys have one and I end up taking the plunge, let me know if you want a full-on review of whatever I decide to get. So I am just finishing off the living room with this this is a lemon and sage room spray from the brand Aswell at Walmart. Oh my goodness, does this air freshener smell so good. I totally bought this on a whim during a online order and I do not regret it. It smells so, so good and it lasts really, really well. And that is all for my nighttime reset of the house. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are still cleaning along with me, there is a playlist right here on the screen for more cleaning motivation, and always linked down below. And also down there will be my TikTok, my Instagram, and my other YouTube channel. Thanks for liking, subscribing, commenting, watching, anything, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. Bye.